Fossil indicates that birds are descendants from the only surviving group of dinosaurs, avian dinosaurs. Modern-day birds are one of the 6 basic animal groups alongside amphibian, fish, invertebrates, mammals, and reptiles. Categorized as the biological class F, birds are defined by their features, toothless back jaws, and a strong but lightweight skeleton. Today's birds come in many shapes and sizes, from the smallest birds such as the bee hummingbirds through to the non-flying giants like ostriches, emus, and cassowaries. And today's video, we will learn about the biggest birds in the world. Let's check it out. Number 1. Northern Cassowary. A smaller cousin of the southern cassowary, the northern cassowary is endemic to northern New Guinea. The females of the species are larger than the males, weighing up to 70 kilograms and standing 1.7 meters tall. Despite their stocky bill, the northern cassowary, also known as the single or one-wethal cassowary or gold-necked cassowary, can run in bursts at 50 kilometers an hour. As with the other cassowaries, it is a shy and solitary bird. Their diet consists mainly of berries, fruits, and small animals such as rat, frogs, snakes, lizards, smaller birds, and a variety of small insects and snails. They will eat dead animals when they find them. The young have been observed to eat the faces of the males, raising them and clutch mates. Adults will eat their own faces, as it often contains undigested fruit. They make grunting and hissing sounds like other cassowaries. In the breeding season, the polygamous female lays 3 to 5 green eggs on a well-camouflaged nest prepared by the male. She then leaves the nest and egg to find another mate. The male incubates the egg and raises the chick alone for about 9 months. Number 2. Emus. Endemic to Australia, emus are the second tallest living bird in the world that can reach up to 190 centimeters tall. They weigh an average of 33 kilograms. Female emus are usually slightly larger than the males and have significantly wide rumps. Emus have evolved to run fast, and despite being flightless, they have vestigial wings which they flap when they run to stabilize themselves. They only have 3 toes and a reduced number of bones and foot muscles. Emus are the only birds with gastrocnemius muscles found in the back of the lower legs. Number 3. Penguins. Imperial penguins are endemic to Antarctica and are the tallest of all living penguins, weighing an average of 31.5 kilograms and measuring 114 centimeters in height. During breeding seasons, male imperial penguins lose up to 15 kilograms as they do not eat anything while they protecting their eggs from extreme cold for more than 2 months. Like all penguins, imperial penguins are flightless, but they have adapted to the harsh conditions of their environment, which is the coldest for any breeding birds. Feeders provide up to 90% of their insulation, and they are able to regulate the core body temperature without altering their metabolism. King penguins weigh up to 13.6 kilograms on average and are 92 centimeters in height. They breed on subantarctic islands as well as the Falkland Islands and other temperature islands of the region. Number 4. Mud swan and trumpeter swan. Both mud swans and trumpeter swans are similar in build, height, and weight, and are 2 of the heaviest flying birds on Earth. These swans look graceful and elegant, but have a dangerous side when defending their families or territories, standing up tall and hissing or assaulting intruders with their beaks and wings. Attacks on humans on water and land are relatively common. Number 5. Happy Eagle. The happy eagle is legendary, although few people have seen one in their native habitat. The predatory, frightful, flying creatures with hook, beak and claws of Greek mythology, this dark grey bird of prey has a very distinctive look, with feathers atop its head that fan into a bold crest. When the bird feels threatened, some smaller grey feathers create a facial disc that may focus sound waves to improve the bird's hearing, similar to owls. Like most eagles, the female harpy is almost twice as large as the male. The harpy eagle's legs can be as thick as a small child's wrist, and its curved back talons are larger than grizzly bear claws at 5 inches long. The harpy may not be the largest bird of prey, but this extraordinary creature is definitely the heaviest and most powerful of birds. Harpy eagle range from Mexico to northern Argentina and live in forest areas. Despite their wingspan, which can reach up to 6.5 feet across, harpies use large sticks to create the nest, whose frame and line it with the sulfur creams. A harpy nest measures about 4 feet thick and 5 feet across, large enough for a person to lie on. Harpies are great at saving precise energy. You will never see a harpy eagle soaring over the top of a rainforest. Instead, the powerful harpy flies below the forest canopy and uses its great talon to snatch up monkeys and sloths that can weigh up to 17 pounds. A harpy is capable in a serious chase of reaching speed of 50 miles per hour. It dives down onto its prey and snatches with outstretched feet. Number 6. Ostrich. What is the biggest bird in the world? No contest. The common ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It is both the tallest and heaviest, with an average height of 2 meters and a weight of up to 160 kilograms. At this size, the ostrich is, of course, a flightless bird, but can outrun plenty of animals with its top speed of 69 kilometers per hour, which makes it the fastest animal on 2 legs. Their long, powerful legs double up as defensive weapons, which pack a powerful kick to would-be predators. Fun ostrich fact: they are able to survive without water for days, generating water internally and extracting water from vegetables. 7. Criteria. Criteria are the largest bird in America, native to Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. As with so many birds on this list, the criteria is flightless and fast, able to reach up to 35 kilometers per hour using their long, powerful legs. Along with their high speeds, they protect themselves from predators by gathering in flocks of up to 100 birds during the non-breeding season. Number 8. Cinereous Vulture. The Cinereous Vulture is the heaviest and the largest bird of prey in the world. This oval vulture has excellent eyesight, allowing it to spot carrion while in flight, and a classic vulture's featureless head to prevent a build-up of blood when it feeds. With a wingspan of up to 3.7 meters wide, and a wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any living bird on Earth. This enormous wingspan allows the albatross to glide for a long distance without the need to flap their wings, which in turn helps define the wandering albatross's lifestyle as birds, which spend most of their life in flight, landing only to breed and feed. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more contents like this. We see you soon in the next video. Bye.